Going on, everybody? I just wanted to give you a quick update on my trailer build. I got my axle in and I have my wheels. Not my tires yet, they haven't been mounted, but I got my tires and my axle mounted. So I wanted to quickly show you what that's been. I've been really busy with work the last week and a half, so I don't have too much footage. So maybe I can give you a cool montage here of what I've done so far. And then I promise the next week and a half, I'll be really good on getting this footage down for all of you. So here it is. So this is where I'm at. Those are the wheels I just picked up right there. They need a little bit of love here and there, but for the trailer they're going to be pretty kick-ass once I have my 35s mounted. The trailer springs I would still like to redo. Those are just the stock ones that came with the trailer, but I'll see how they make do once I have everything tacked up and I take it down for a road test. But for now they don't look too bad. So that's the trailer so far. That's all I have. I promise within the next week and a half, I'll get some more footage down. I'll be able to upload it and show you guys a little bit more piece by piece of how I'm doing it, what I'm doing it, and why I'm doing it. But yeah, there it is.